Audi A8 drama. So this is what we got going on now. We have the timing tool. This is the timing tool right here, this bar. Notice it's not connected on this side, but this side it's connecting. See? And the mechanic friend that I have, he told me to make sure it's lined up. And it looks lined up, except this side is not lined up. So I'm hoping that just maybe I could do it by hand, but I'm not really sure. I gotta watch some videos on the ghetto place. I took this valve cover off thinking that it was going to give me some secrets to the universe, but it didn't. But this is the plastic piece that's really important. This plastic piece had no idea that it was important, so I took it off. But this helps line up. You see that gap at the end of the pen, and then that dash lines up with that plastic piece. So I'm gonna pop this off for a minute because I think I'm done with this. Oops, that's not very good. Dropped it. That's supposed to be very important. Pull off that pulley. So let me just that's gonna come off, so I have to figure out a way to line this up. That's gonna come off. So this with that. Yep, that's how we do timing on an Audi. Look at my pen. It's dirty now. I cleaned it off. Audi A8. The saga continues.